wait, that didn't really work. I have a mirror back there. Oops. Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Lizzie, and today I'm going to be doing a very unoriginal, basic idea of a video. I have this pair of black jeans that I got a few weeks ago. They're brand new. I've worn them maybe once, and that was just to try them on at the store because I couldn't find any black ripped jeans, and I really want a pair of black ripped jeans. So I was like, you know what, I'll just buy a pair of jeans that fit me properly and I'll just rip them myself because everybody just rips their jeans themselves these days. If you're paying for holes in your jeans, no. You're paying more money for less material. Why would you do that when you can just get rid of the material yourself at home? Logic. Use it, my children. So I actually ripped the pair of jeans that I'm already wearing, but the thing with these ones is that the rips are just kind of like holes. They're not really frayed, which I kind of want my other jeans to have. So we're going to be making frayed ripped jeans today. Kind of like this example that I'm going to put right here. Lizzie, remember to put a picture here. Okay, that should be fine. So I watched a few videos on how to make frayed ripped jeans and I have a pretty good idea of it. This is not going to be really, it's going to be a tutorial, but it's also not going to be a tutorial. It's going to be me trying to figure out how to do this. So anyway, let's get on with it. Let's just go. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your jeans on so you know where to mark them, because you don't just want to like cut holes randomly wherever, because that's not going to turn out very well. So I'm just going to be making some dashes where the knees are because I want rips in the knees specifically. Just with a white pencil crayon I find works. You can also use some chalk or whatever. So you're just going to be making the lines as horizontal as possible and make them various widths so the rips don't look like rectangles, because you don't really want that. You kind of want them to look like they just ripped themselves. I'm not doing a very good job at this. Now I call myself an artist. Haha. Laughable. You're also going to make them varying widths apart from each other. Again, just to have some variation and variety, I guess. That is way too far apart. Also, don't make them too far apart from each other. Don't make them too close to each other. You just want to have like a good distance, because if you make them too far apart from each other, you're just creating more work for yourself in terms of like having to rip them. So yeah, don't do that. That's one knee done. Let's do the other knee. Lots of rippage on the knees because that's the only place where it makes sense to have rips. Can I just say that I hate jeans that have rips in the pockets, like in the back pockets, because then you can't put anything in them. Like, what's the point? My phone's just gonna like fall out. Like, why would you do that? Like, what's the point? Jean manufacturers, get on that. Like, come on, man. Like, functionality, please. I'd rather have functionality. All right. Looks good. Now I think I'm gonna go a bit lower and put some rips down here, but probably not that many. Just a little bit, just to give a little taste of ripping down here. There's a man outside, and he's gonna look in the window and gonna see me doing this and gonna think I'm weird. Oh yeah, he just looked. Oh shit. Hello, neighbor. All right, let's get some good rippage up here. All right, so we got our lines on our jeans. Now we gotta cut them. So now you're gonna take some scissors. I'm using fabric scissors because I figure they're probably easier to cut through fabric than normal scissors, because that would just make sense. Okay, so I'm just gonna flip these around so I can put my hand in them, so I know that I'm not cutting right through the jeans. So you guys are just gonna take your scissors and cut along the lines. At least that's what I think. I hope I'm right. Alright, so now that you have your jeans that have all these lovely holes in them, you're gonna take a pair of tweezers, preferably ones that are pointy, because it'll make your life so much easier while doing this. So basically you're just gonna take your tweezers and you're gonna start pulling out all the little fibers of the jeans. You want to pull out the ones that are going vertically up the leg, because you're going to be left with the horizontal ones that are going to give you that frayed look that you want. So you want to pull out all of the vertical ones. After you've pulled out enough of the string so it looks something like that, you can pretty much just use your fingers and just pull it a bunch at a time. Just like that. Because that probably is going to make it a lot easier in the long run. And you're probably gonna, if you do all of them with just the tweezers, you're probably gonna be sitting here for quite a while doing this. So I fully recommend just taking out a bunch and then just pulling the rest out with your fingers, because it's a lot easier. But this is what one rip looks like, just like that. So it's pretty frayed, and that's only one rip. So you're gonna be sitting here for a long time. And since this is gonna take a long time, we will be back after this short commercial break.
I love refrigerators.
So when you're done making a mess of your bed and wasting a few hours of your life, you're gonna end up with this pretty much. So then you're just gonna go and throw it in the dryer or the washing machine for like 5-10 minutes, just to get the rest of this off and out of it, because that's probably really annoying. And while it's in there, you might as well just vacuum all of this. So this is what the jeans look like. They're pretty frayed. I just kind of cut some of this stuff off that I didn't really like. But for the most part, they're pretty good. I really like them. I think they turned out pretty well. And if you're wondering why I have new clothes, it's a new day. Wow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this impromptu ripping of jeans video. I hope it kind of helped you if you were looking for a way to rip jeans. I was really just experimenting with this because I've never ripped jeans this way before. It took a really long time to pull all those little threads out. I'm gonna tell you, there's probably way more efficient ways of doing this. This is just the way that I found first. Honestly, this was the first video that I clicked on YouTube to watch, so I just went with it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and that is all for now. Stay lost, my friends, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye!